Welcome. In front of me is ACER Swift Go, and in this video I will show you how to change device name on this laptop. To do it, open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then select System section on the left side of the window, then scroll down to the About section right here, open it, and then click Rename this PC. Now enter the new name for your PC without using any spacebars. So, for example, let it be something like this. Once you're done, click Next. And then, in order to apply changes, you have to click Restart Now and wait until your device is restarted. And after your laptop restarts, your device's name will be changed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.